Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 9X and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device. First we need to turn off our device, and to do it we need to press and hold the power button. Then tap on power off and tap on it again to confirm. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when the Honor logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. Now we enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu we can use the volume down and volume up buttons, and to select the options we can use the power button. We can also use the touchscreen to navigate this menu. Let's select clear data now, like that. Here let's select factory reset. Now we need to enter yes and then tap factory reset. After the process is complete, select back and select restart. And now we need to wait. It's gonna take a while. And at this point the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.